We're just north or south of Manoka. This thing was 4 separate ones, and now it's turned into one big one. Jim's trying to get us the hell out of the way as fast as he can. Oh my God, this thing is huge. And it's coming fast. Okay, this is as close as I ever want to get. Go, 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 go. Oh my God, it's huge. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. Oh my word. Look at all the that's in it. We are going right past it. We need to get past it. We're just going underneath it, actually. Oh my God. You can feel the temperature change. We're getting hit with some hail, some debris.